you the step-to-step guide on how to hatch a catfish. What you need is your broodstock, which is male and female. I'll show you how to identify the male from the female. Also, you need a syringe, you need a blade, you need salt solution. If you don't know how to prepare the salt solution, you can use this. Then a bowl where you will put the eggs after injecting it. So those are the first steps. But before thinking of hatching, you have to test your water to know if the water will be good for hatching or not. The minimum weight a fish should have for good production is 1 kg. So I'll be showing you that as well. So if you are ready, let's go. Before injecting, you have to make sure that the fish is covered, the eyes is covered very well, so that it doesn't, it will try, while injecting, to try to see that it tries to escape and hold, but you have to cover it very well and hold it. And when injecting, make sure that where you are injecting is around there. Can you see what I'm trying to say? It's trying to move, so the angle 45. Can you see this? You put it gently. Then you rub it gently for like 5 seconds. And we have to put it into the water and leave for minimum of 8 hours. So it's in the water, we leave it for 8 hours. We're going to cover it. Now another thing is, when you cover it, you have to cover it very well so that it doesn't fly out when the injection starts working. So cover it very well. So we want to remove the sperm, they make sac for the male fish. You have to cover the face very well. So this is how you identify the male. You can see this. This is how you identify the male. So you take your blade. A new blade is advisable for you to use. You take your blade, then you split in the middle. This is what you want to bring out. It has 2 in it. This is 1. You put it somewhere. Then you look for the second one as well. We have the second one as well. So that is the end for the male broodstock. What we'll do is strip the female fish so that will bring out the fertilized egg. I'll show you how to do that now. So cover the face very well so that it doesn't see light. Then someone else holds it by the tail. shift away. Then you press gently. So as you can see, there is no you cut the mixed sperm. What you do is mix, put the water and mix very well. So what we do is gently spread the eggs on the net. Gently. So we cover it very well for minimum of 20 hours, then we open it after 20 hours.